Check out this GMC 2021 Canyon Denali. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment group 4SD, 3.4 rear axle ratio, wheels, 20x 8.5 diamond cut machined aluminum, perforated leather appointed seat trim, driver alert package, radio, AM/FM with 8 diagonal multi-touch display nav, heated steering wheel, black spray-on bed liner with GMC logo and ultrasonic rear parking assist. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.